Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 keeps restarting after the March update. If your PC is stuck in a restart loop and you cannot reach the desktop, you need to enter recovery mode. To do this, turn your computer on and then force it off by holding the power button. Repeat this process 3 times. On the third start, Windows will open the recovery screen. Here, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Uninstall Updates. Choose Uninstall Latest Quality Update and let it complete. This will remove the problematic update causing the restart loop. If you can access your desktop, the fix is easier. Open Settings and go to Windows Update. Check for updates and install the latest patches released after March 21st, including KB5.08, 5.5.16. These updates fix the restart issue for most users, so make sure your system is fully updated. You can also disable automatic restart so you can see the error causing the issue. Open Search and type View Advanced System Settings. Go to the Advanced tab, then click Settings under Startup and Recovery. Uncheck Automatically Restart and click OK. Next time your PC crashes, you will see a stop code that can help you understand the exact problem. After following these steps, your system should stop restarting and work normally again. Thanks for watching.